Hi, my name is Laura, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Glucavive before actually buying. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Glucavive is be careful with the website you're going to buy Glucavive from, because it's only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Glucavive and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Glucavive works. Glucavive is a blood sugar support formula created to help individuals better manage their blood sugar levels and ensure they fall within normal ranges in the context of blood sugar. This solution might also promote healthy metabolism, replenish vital nutrients, and increase energy levels and mental clarity, above anything else. The Glucavive formula embodies the potency of not one but 11 essential natural ingredients that bring these benefits. Living with hard to manage diabetes is no easy feat. Having a product like Glucavive, which aims to reduce the negative impact of diabetes, may be life-changing. When taken regularly, it has a chance of lowering the dose of insulin administered. Glucavive has been manufactured in a facility that follows Certified Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP), which means that they follow stringent health and safety practices. The makers have also noted that they have yet to receive complaints on potential side effects to reap the potential benefits of Glucavive. If you should take one capsule with your evening meal alongside a half glass of water, you can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Glucavive has no side effects since it is natural. You can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Glucavive, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. If you are not 100% satisfied with your purchase, please report it to product support. You have 30 days after your order is shipped to explore the benefits of the product and draw your own conclusions. They hope you will become one of the many customers who contact them to share the joy of their experience. Keep in mind that they usually advise all customers to spend some time with the supplements so that they can taste their effects on the body before coming to a conclusion. If you are not satisfied with your investment, you can easily ask for your money back. It is their duty to make sure you are satisfied with your decision and to be by your side at any point in this journey together, wherever it may take you. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website. And also, if you buy the Glucavive, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person, because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that the Glucavive really helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Men and women of different ages have already obtained results with the daily use of the Glucavive. It is 100% natural and guaranteed. So what are you waiting for to have a happier life? Just click on the link to the official website in the video description. And thank you for your time.